Alright, so as you can see, I got the entire case minus one bearing and the sun gear disassembled. Nice little fancy roll cart there. Anyways, so the point of failure, found it. Well, a sign of failure was excessive wear on the chain. And there it is. Look at that, ain't that pretty? The point of failure that I can tell is those little fork pads right there. The blue one goes right here in the center, and this other white one goes right here. And it keeps the fork properly aligned to keep the gear and shaft and the gap between the gear, specifically that gear, and the chain, so that wear doesn't happen, and that doesn't happen. That's a big no-no right there. So I gotta order a new fork for it, and new pads, and a new I'm gonna call that a ring. And then I got a chain that came in yesterday, I believe. I'm just gonna order a whole rebuild kit because I'm gonna replace all the bearings and seals and everything. Rebuild the whole thing. And then, hopefully, Lord willing, it'll work good. I'm still gonna pull the transmission, and I don't know. I'll figure it out, Lord willing. Until next time, stay frosty, my friends. God bless.